we say, in Australia we say cheers. In Dutch, Prost, motherfucker!
Bringing old school sound to the new shit.
Hey guys, Sonny here, back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a drop like Julian Jordan. So we're going to make a remake of Old School, and the final result will sound like this.
Bringing old school sound to the new shit.
So first we're gonna dive into the drums, then the bass, and then the plugs. So let's start off with the drums. In the drum section there's nothing too crazy going on. First we have the kick, and every 4 bar. Then we add a clap to it. And then to make it a bit more interesting, we added this percussion, add the offbeat. And the second part of the drop, we added a ride to it. And just some open hi-hats to give it more groove. So that's it for the drums, so now let's dive into the bass line. So now we're gonna dive into the bass line, sounding like this. So it's a preset in Serum. It's a bass line I selected from my new sample pack Dirty Tech Frame 1. But I'm gonna show you how I made it. First I have this analog wavetable, a square wave for the higher harmonics with a filter, some distortion, compression, and EQing, so we're EQing out all the highs so we only have the bass line. Then we add some processing on it. Without it, it sounds like this. So it sounds really sub-bassy. First what we did is add an OTT, just to compress it, to bring out the mids a bit more. Then we added some saturation to the mids as well, with a warm tape and quite a lot of drive. And to finish it off, we added some sidechain to it. So together with the drums, it sounds like this. And that's it for the bass, and now we're gonna make a plug sound. So the plug sounds like this. So I'm gonna take you to the process of making a plug. So first we sampled this plug from the original. And we edited it in Edison. Then we dragged it into Serum. So we came up with this preset. We added in the noise section of Serum. Pitched it in the right octave. Because the original plug is in A flat. Then we did some processing on it. Without and with. So I'm gonna take you through processing. First we cut off a bit of highs. Then a bit more highs. Some reverb, just to put a plug in the room. Then we distorted it with the saturation. So just some gentle saturation with the drive. Then add a limiter. Yeah, this will make it really louder. Then we cut off more highs and a bit of the lows. We dipped it around here. And then some reverb and delay to really bring out the sound a bit more. So right now the plug sounds a little bit thin, so add another plug to it. Sounding like this. We only added some low cut and some reverb. So together the plugs sound like this. And in the track, it sounds like this. So right now we're already close. We only need to add a step to it. So we're gonna make that now. Let's dive into the step. We selected 2 bass shots from the Cashmere pack. Sounding like this. And this. So first we pitched it in key. It's in G flat, so we tuned it down 3 semitones. Then add some processing on it. Without, it sounds like this. So we basically just give the low cut, some compression, reverb, and delay to make it fit in the track. So, and that's it for all the elements. So altogether, the Julian Jordan remake sounds like this.
Bringing old school sound to the new shit.
And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.